I'm Claire Verani, and today I'll be discussing the topic of if-else functions from IDS 3. If-else functions use Boolean expressions to select different outputs based on whether or not different inputs meet specified conditions. Let's say that you need to be 13 years or older to play laser tag at your local arena. This is an example of your condition. We can set the variable age to be equal to the input, and then set an if statement for if this condition is met. If your age is equal to or greater than 13, you get a message that says you can play laser tag. Let's try it out. If I say that I'm 13 years old, I get the approval message. However, if I say that I'm 12, I do not get an approval message. Right? In fact, I don't get a message at all. We can add the alternate output for not meeting the condition by clicking on this plus sign and adding an else to our if statement. If you are 13 years or older, then you can play laser tag. But if you do not satisfy this condition, then you are too young to play laser tag. Let's say that it's ladies' night at the laser tag arena, and girls get in for free. You can add pretty much an infinite amount of else statements to a function, but for this one we're only going to need 2. If your gender is that you are a girl, and your age is 13 years or older, then you can get in for free. However, if you do not satisfy both of these conditions, as denoted by the AND function, you have to get in but you do meet the minimum age requirement, then you get in for the full price. If you do not satisfy the minimum age requirement, then you are too young to play laser tag. Let's test it out. Let's say we're 44 years old and we're a boy. You can run the program and find that you can get in for the full price. If you're 44 years old and you change your gender to a girl, then you can get in for free. However, even if you're a girl, if you do not meet the minimum age requirement, you are too young to play laser tag. You may have noticed that the most specific set of conditions goes on top of the function. This is because computers think linearly in a top-to-bottom manner. The first set of conditions that a computer finds an input meets is the one that will determine the output. If we were to switch these two sets of conditions and their outputs, nobody would get in for free. This is because even if you were of age and a girl, before your gender became a factor, the computer would have already found a set of conditions that the input met, which is being older than 13. That's the end of the video. This is a list of